Hey, what's up, Bepro Network? So this is a very big mistake to holders doing, and this time exactly, my brother. Be safe from lost. Kindly watch this 2-minute video. Try to understand what I talk you exactly, my friend. I will update you. I do a technical analysis, and absolutely I do a predicate this coin, my brother. So kindly you need to watch this video and make sure to the mistake is going to be very big, my friend. And if you do this mistake exactly, you are completely in the loss. So watch this video. Be safe from lost. My brother, Bepro Network is absolutely changed. Occur will be positive. Its last 3 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely going to show you, my brother, to they are in the profit. So it's absolutely, my friend, in the last 24 hours, my friend, especially the our cryptocurrencies is wake up and they are completely in the profit. But Bepro Network, one of the fastest coin, my friend, you can see here, they are very moving very fastly. So therefore, I'm so excited, and absolutely one of my favorite coin this time in the crypto market is Bepro Network. Everybody try to understand to Bepro as no, there is no big update, my friend, of Bepro Network, but just in only, if you can see, my brother, they completely in the last 3 days, you can see they will wake up. So it's, I think this is very good news for all of you to they wake up, because all crypto market is very badly dumps down. So I think this is very good news for all of you. Congratulations to Bepro Network is wake up and they completely go on the moon. My brother, let's predicate this coin exact. If you can see, my brother, this time in the last 3 days completely this chart is going to show you to in upcoming time there is a chance to they will moving upward or not. If you can see, my brother, after a jump they fails down. You can see here this is short fell, short jump. Every cryptocurrency is moving like that. So it's mean, my friend, the last arrows completely show you, my brother, to upcoming time there is more chances to they will wake up and they give you very good profit. So let's see, my brother, I hope in upcoming times they will give you very good profit. You need to hold, just and only you need to hold, don't sell it and wait for the end of month. I hope Bepro Network a holder they will give you a very big and good from profit, my brother. So the mistake is that, my friends, to holders doing in this time, this mistake, my friends, you can see here, especially the last of the every month, my friends, especially the short term investor, they're starting selling. So I think this is very bad mistake to you starting selling in the current time. You know why? If you starting selling in this current time, exactly, my friends, you are in the loss, because the short term investor they are starting buying, so the price is also increasing very fastly. And if you could see, my brother, after a good jump, you could see here they falls down. So it's mean, my brother, to when they take a very huge jump, exactly after this huge jump, my friend, they will falls down. So therefore, my friends, I don't want to buy it, my friends. Just in all, my friends, hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope the price is going to be very big and they will give you very huge profit, my brother, huge price, my brother. So this time you can see 0.006784 US dollar is the latest price. Let's see Bepro Network to upcoming times can there the future is going to be bright or not. Thanks for watching. Hold up, please like this video and subscribe this channel.